Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Sysctl networking parameters after an outage. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your server via SSH. Log in with the appropriate credentials. Once logged in, check the current Sysctl networking parameters. Use the command sysctl to display all parameters. Identify which parameters were affected by the outage. You can review the saved configuration file in /etc/sysctl.conf. Open this file using a text editor like Nano or Vim. To return to previous settings, you may need to restore values from a backup if available. If you do not have a backup, you can refer to documentation or your previous notes. Once you have the correct values, edit the /etc/sysctl.conf file. Add or modify the parameters as needed. After editing, save your changes and exit the editor. Next, apply the updated parameters with the command sysctlp. This command reloads the configuration and applies the changes. You can verify the changes by running sysctl again. Confirm that the values match your intended settings. If any parameters still appear incorrect, repeat the process until resolved. It's important to monitor the system after applying these changes. Regularly document these settings for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.